What if I told you that confidence isn't something you're born with? It's something you can develop at any stage of life. Whether you've always struggled with self-doubt or are simply looking to boost your confidence in certain areas, the good news is that confidence is a skill that anyone can build. It's not about being perfect. It's about taking action and building trust in yourself. So, let's dive into 10 powerful tips that will help you build your confidence from zero. 1. Start with small wins. Confidence is built on success, but you don't have to tackle huge challenges right away. Start with small, achievable goals, whether it's speaking up in a meeting, completing a project, or trying something new. Every time you achieve something, no matter how small, your confidence grows. These wins build momentum that pushes you to tackle bigger challenges. 2. Change your self-talk. Your internal dialogue plays a huge role in how you feel about yourself. Negative self-talk, like saying, "I'm not good enough," or "I can't do this," only drags your confidence down. Replace these thoughts with positive affirmations like, "I am capable, I can handle this," or "I am worthy of success." The more you reframe your thinking, the more confident you'll feel. 3. Step outside your comfort zone. Confidence grows when you push yourself beyond your comfort zone. Take on challenges that feel a little uncomfortable at first, whether it's speaking in front of others, learning a new skill, or going to a social event. The more you step into discomfort, the more you'll realize that you're capable of handling new situations, and that realization is a huge confidence booster. 4. Improve your body language. Confidence isn't just about how you feel on the inside. It shows on the outside too. Practice strong body language, such as standing tall, making eye contact, and smiling. When you carry yourself confidently, you'll not only appear more confident to others, but you'll start to feel more confident internally as well. 5. Celebrate your strengths. Everyone has strengths, whether they're skills, talents, or qualities that make you unique. Take time to reflect on what you're good at and celebrate those strengths. Write them down, remind yourself of your successes, and focus on what you bring to the table. The more you acknowledge your value, the more confident you'll become in your abilities. 6. Surround yourself with positive people. The people you spend time with influence how you feel about yourself. Surround yourself with people who support, encourage, and uplift you. Positive, confident individuals will help you see your own potential and remind you of your strengths. On the other hand, distancing yourself from negative influences can create the space for your own confidence to flourish. 7. Take care of yourself. Self-care plays a huge role in building confidence. When you take care of your body and mind, through exercise, eating well, getting enough rest, and practicing mindfulness, you're sending a message to yourself that you deserve the best. Feeling good physically boosts your mental strength, which in turn boosts your confidence. 8. Focus on progress, not perfection. Waiting for perfection can paralyze you and keep you stuck. Instead, focus on progress. Recognize the small steps you're taking toward your goals and give yourself credit for the effort you're putting in. Confidence isn't about being perfect. It's about consistently showing up, learning, and growing. 9. Visualize your success. Visualization is a powerful technique for building confidence. Take a few moments every day to close your eyes and imagine yourself succeeding. Whether it's acing a presentation, getting a promotion, or confidently handling a tough situation, visualizing your success helps you see the possibility of achieving your goals, making them feel more attainable. 10. Learn from failure. Failure is a natural part of life, and it's essential for building confidence. Instead of seeing failure as a setback, view it as a learning opportunity. When you fail, reflect on what went wrong, adjust your approach, and keep moving forward. Each failure brings you one step closer to success and strengthens your resilience and confidence. Building confidence is a journey, not a destination. By taking small actions, changing your mindset, and surrounding yourself with positivity, you can build your confidence from zero. It won't happen overnight, but with persistence, the results will be worth it. Remember, you have the power to change how you feel about yourself, and every step you take counts. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, comment your thoughts below, and subscribe to Fix Your Life for more tips on building confidence and living your best life. Start today and watch your confidence grow.